Just put mustard on your face like a mustache. Okay, so let's 1 minute on the clock to get my costume together. The timer starts now. I don't even know what to do. So in the 1 minute, picked up this sweet baby. I've got a stuffed animal and I got this dress. Any sense? Now I'll just hold on to this. Why did I think that this would be a good idea? Freaking legs though. There's like ads now. I don't even know how to stop this madness. Here's the end result. Who did it best? Try one of these and kind of just give you an overall review of the product I made. Liam can go on that side. Well, it was pretty good. Like an overall success, I would say. Very sweet. It's very yummy. It's also vegan. It's paleo. There's no refined sugars in it. I just dropped it all down my shirt. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. If you made the recipe, if you liked it. Shout out to my girl Virginia, who actually suggested the video idea, so thank you. Like and subscribe the video if you liked it or you subscribed it. I don't want to do anything normally. Okay, bye.